Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive, your own training institute. So we'll start with our lesson 14 and here we will learn how we can apply roughness to our material. The roughness is basically this highlight or this glossiness you can see hitting the specular level which is hitting on these ground. So there are separate glossiness and specular output nodes here inside Substance Designer, but we are going to use only roughness to control like both of them. So we'll start now and we'll start with our like locker body. So I will move this all the way here, and black means no roughness. So everything will look smooth, just like you can see 100% highlight, 100% specular level is there. But if I will change it to white, so it is 100% uh, rough, just like a paper. So there is no highlight there anymore. So we will calculate where we need more roughness, less roughness, and according to that, we will control this. And some places we will use texture maps, like just like this one, as you can see from here, so that we can have some variation. So I will just go back here and add a blend node here. Okay. Now, from the top, I will take this map, and this is where I want to add my roughness. So I will take it from the top, Alt, drop it here, delete this. I don't want this one here. And then I will take this same moisture noise, okay, and Alt, plug it here. And you can see that I'm getting this sort of a weird roughness here. In some places I can have some highlights, some at some spot I don't have it because it's all this black and white. So wherever I have the white, it's more like bright, and wherever I have black, it's like no highlight is there, like there's no specular level there. So it's weirdly like a rough material here. And on some materials, like on some uh like objects, some materials, it will work, but at this spot it's not working. So what I need here is that I need to add a scan over here. Okay, histogram scan. Sorry, this is histogram range. And then what I will do here is that, because I need to make it uh some sort of a grayish material, so what I will do here is that I will change the position somewhere like this. Okay, and I will the range of it. A little bit darker so I can have some specular level because it's a metal. Okay, and keep in mind this metal is old metal, so I will. Yeah, so now it kind of looks fine. Okay, a little bit highlight activity, too strong, little bit more rough. Now you can see it is not too rough, and plus we can see some specular level here. So I will from the other side. Okay. Control Shift, I can change the light to see how what can. Okay. Good now, and a little bigger, and here I can add here roughness. Okay, now here I am inside the spray paint metalness. So here I will add I will add a blend. Put it here. Okay. And then take the same this one from here and add it down. Okay. So I will press Alt here so I can have this option. So I can put it here. Go. And as you can see, this is quite a rough sort of thing. Okay, so I don't need a lot of roughness here. So what I can do here is that I can take the same and put it here. So you can see that it is 100% like a paper, which I don't actually want. So what I will do here is that between these I can add a histogram range. Okay, let's put it somewhere, and then I will start making it a little bit darker. Yeah, this looks a little better here. You can see how it is showing. Yeah, that's what we got. And one more thing we can do here as well is that we can go back to its albedo and this color here. So we can go back to this blend and try to reduce its opacity. So it doesn't look purely black. Yeah, and we will do something like this. A little bit of opacity to it. Okay, so now we will move to scratches. I will add the blend here. And then I will take these same scratches, put them here. Okay. And no roughness at all. So I will go and put the uniform color here. So basically it will only affect this one because I have put this in the opacity. So I hope this idea by now you have got it. And now I hope you got the drill. You know the drill that what you need to do. Here I will take the uniform color. Okay, convert this to grayscale. So completely black. So there is no roughness on the scratches. So now you can see how the scratches are. So if I will move the light, Control Shift, and then you can see how where the light, when like wherever the light is hitting, it is creating some sort like giving this shine over there. Okay, so scratches kind of looks more like scratches. Okay, Now metal edgeware. Here is where the things will change a lot, because here, if you will notice, these metal edgeware is causing like it's very smooth. There is no roughness at all. But as you know, whenever there is a rust on a metal or damaged area where you have the paint is off, so that area is very rough. Here there is no roughness, it's all smooth. So what we need to do, we have to add a lot of white color here, or you can say just white color, depends. So I'll put the blend here. Okay, take this same blend from here, this one which I created for the metalness. Okay, plug it here inside, and then just put here for now. I will take uniform color and put this uniform color here. Change this uniform color to grayscale and no and 100% rough. I can get. Now you can see there is no shine on it, like there is no specular level on it. So if I go out, see this more rough rather than having any shine on it. Okay, so this is what actually we want right now. So completely rough without any sort of shine or something. Maybe a very tiny bit of roughness, like smoothness we can add by reducing this white. Yeah. Now we'll go to the lock holders. So here I will add a blend. Here I will take the same map, like map from here, pressing Alt here, putting it here, dragging and put it side here. So I have it here. Now this should be metal, but not like kind of a chrome. So what I will do here is that I will add a uniform color here. Okay, grayscale, and start making it grayish. Something like 0.05. So it will be, or 0.1. Yeah. It will look like something like this. It's like not a purely like metal there. Okay. Like it's a matte metal sort of thing. And one more thing we can do here is that yeah, that's fine. So I'll go back now I will go to the hinges albedo. Okay, and make this bigger here. Okay, and I'll add a blend. Okay, this I will take the same, drop it here, then uniform color. I'll convert this into grayscale, and then go back here, start in this. So maybe 0.2. Yeah, so 0.2 is like I want it to be rough rather than being metallic, like too metallic, or maybe 0.15. Yeah, that will also work. So we got this all here. one thing I need to do, take this from here and add on all of. Now, only issue that you will see is that whenever you will go to like whenever you will zoom out, it's like these text remains the same size. They overlap if you zoom out. So that's one issue here. Okay, so something like this. But if you zoom in, then it will be fine. Now you can see everything is fine. So I hope this can be solved later on. So now we have all of these. Now we have our albedo, we have our metallic, okay, we have our roughness, everything we have here. And next class, what we are going to do, we are going to learn how we can create opacity maps, because these are vents and vents should be open from the bottom. So that's what we are going to learn, and we will also see how we can create vents without creating a shape. We can make vents directly from the gradient without using shape, gradient, and then curve, because it's a bit a long process. So we will see how we can shorten the process. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this lesson today, and I'm really thankful, and I'm like, thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. And one thing is that I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos, but you have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. So if you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that, and if you find someone doing that, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive. Your own training is secure.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.